Assalamu alaikum, my cooking in a budget's family. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the recipe. 200 grams of minced mutton. 1 cup water. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 1/2 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Cook until it brings up a boil. Then, cook it on low heat until the water dries up. Now add salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin and coriander. Now, we will wait for the minced meat to cool down. Then add 200 grams of chopped onions. 1/4 cup of chopped mint and coriander. Make 16 to 18 samosas. Fry in a medium hot oil on a medium flame. Alhamdulillah. Our Qeema samosa is ready. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. Share with your friends and subscribe for more tasty ideas. See you in the next recipe video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.